Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Lenovo Tab M10 HD tablet. This Lenovo tablet has a 10.1-inch HD screen and dual speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos for immersive entertainment. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This affordable tablet is good enough for web browsing, watching movies, reading electronic books, and playing simple games. With this tablet, you will enjoy speed and lots of storage space. This tablet comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Of course, the more RAM your tablet has, the more apps and programs it can store for quick access, which results in an overall feeling of your tablet working faster. For those who like to store their media files on a tablet, the 64GB of storage is just fine. The operating system of this tablet is Android 11, and the battery capacity is 5,100 mAh. It is a portable tablet computer. This Lenovo tablet comes with a free and easy-to-install protective folio case included in the box. This protective folio case protects your Lenovo tablet in style. Plus, it can fold into a stand for increased productivity. And it supports auto-sleep and auto-wake for your tablet. This portable Lenovo tablet also comes with a free screen protector included in the box. Of course, this protective cover has all the necessary cutouts for the camera, charging, headset connectors, etc. Guys, let's now see what other things are in the box. Are you ready? With an all-metal body and ultra-modern design, this tablet stands out from the crowd. It is a modern-looking tablet that everyone in the family will want to use. In terms of performance, this affordable tablet is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22T octa-core chip. This safety, warranty, and quick start guide explains the basics of operating your Lenovo tablet. And it is translated into multiple languages. The European Union compliance statement is also included in the box of this Lenovo tablet and translated into many languages. This eject pin tool will help you to smoothly open, remove, and eject the card tray. This tablet comes with a Type-C charging cable at a perfect length of about 1 meter. It's neither too long nor too short. This tablet comes with a power adapter with 5 volts power supply. The 5 volts power supplies are one of the most common power supplies in use today. It is a portable charger that you can carry anywhere. This Lenovo tablet is one of the best tablets that can do more than you think at an affordable price. This Lenovo tablet comes with a rear camera of 8 megapixels. And this Lenovo tablet comes with a front camera of 5 megapixels. Guys, let's now see what other things are available on the sides of the Lenovo Tab M10 HD tablet. As I mentioned earlier in this video, in terms of performance, this affordable tablet is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22T octa-core chip.